Alright, so I have the ZealSound KD8S. It's an XLR and USB dynamic microphone. It also comes with a boom arm. That's the big package. So I've actually been excited to try this style of mic for a while, so definitely excited to see how well it works. Got headphone adapter, USB connector, USB-C, XLR connector, can do live sound, RGB on it. So let's open it up. Instruction book. Alright. So I got a. Oh, okay. It's like an iPhone adapter, so you can use it for your phone. USB-C, USB. It's a little hardware there. Looks like this is the mic itself. It's bigger than I expected, honestly. Oh, it's nice. Little mute buttons, volume. It's nice, squishy. I assume that's for RGB or something in the back. That is kind of like a hang down style. To give that a try. Superior speed. Oh, dropping stuff. The desk mount hardware. Lamp. How about your desk? And the boom arm. So it's a hang down style. Just clicks in there. So decided to give this a shot. I'll have to install it and check it out.